Hello everyone, Selena Sensei again and again. So until you pass JLPT N4, I'll be here again and again. So enough for that. And I'm sure you're expecting a reading comprehension practice test, but I'll do that next time. Promise, I do promise. So for the moment, let's do again a kanji reading test. With no further ado, let's do it now. Okay? 問題1、合戦の言葉はひらがなでどう書きますか？ 1、2、3、4から一番いいものを一つ選んでください。So, let's just choose the reading of the underlined word in kanji. Let's go. はい、1番。underline 全然着るチャンスがありません。underline 全然着るチャンスがありません。Okay? Choices are お服、和服、私服、着物。Okay. Time. All right. The answer is 和服. Okay, 和服. So let's break this down. This is fuku, okay, which means clothing or clothes. And wa means harmony. When you see this kanji, it all means about Japan. So Japanese or traditional clothing. Wa zensen kiru chance ga arimasen. Chance ga arimasen. I don't have the chance of what? Of wearing traditional cloth. So zensen, not at all. Okay, we go to number 2. Underline で仕事に行きます。Underline で仕事に行きます。地下鉄、地下鉄、地下鉄、地下鉄、地下鉄。Which one do you think is the right one? Okay. 地下鉄。Okay. So it means, 地下鉄 means subway. So it means I go to work, shigoto, right? I go to work by subway. So this de is for the manner, okay? The manner of how you do a thing. This express the manner, okay? So here, it's not just kanji reading. I also explain the grammar points. So you don't have to worry about grammar. It's not just kanji anyway. So here, if we break down this, chi means tochi, which means land. Shita is below or under. So this word is chika, means underground. And we have tetsu, which means steel. So subway. Okay, chikatetsu. I hope that is clear. Samba. Do you know how to read this? Okay. Natsuyasumi no. Okay. O shimasu. Natsuyasumi no o shimasu. What will you do? 何をする? 1. 計画 2. 計画 3. 計画 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 Which one? Okay, so keikaku, which means plan. So we have keikaku. So keikaku o shimasu, keikaku suru, which means I'm going to make a plan of what? Summer holiday. Okay, so it's summer holiday, so I have to make a plan for where to go or what fun I'm going to have. So let's break down this kanji. This K means hakaru, which means to measure something. And ga means a sketch or a design. So we have this keikaku. Combine it together means plan. Okay, this is a very important word. Don't miss this. Okay. 4番 underline がありますからお先に失礼します。がありますからお先に okay, I'll go ahead. Okay, 失礼します. That's a big hint. Okay, 4時, 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 4時. The answer is 4時. Okay, which means an errand or you have something to do. So 4時がありますから I have something to do or an errand to do. So I'm sorry for getting or going ahead of you. Okay, going ahead of you or means you stop the work and you go ahead by yourself. Okay, so 4時 means use and or to use, and ji is koto or goto. We found it here in shigoto, right? So here is goto, a matter, okay, an affair. So 4時, an errand, to do something. All right, did you get it right? Okay, let's go to number 5. Okay, we go. Here, underline ga again. Underline ga なくなったんですが、新しいのがありますか? Underline がなくなったんですが、新しいのがありますか? Okay. 電気、電子、電池、電池. Okay, the answer is 電池 means battery. Okay, so there's no battery. Do you have a new one? 新しいのがありますか? Okay, our grammar point here is ですが. So you use this when you are in trouble or you want help. So you said there's no more battery. So could you please, something like that. Okay, the feeling something like that. Could you give me new ones? If there are new ones. 新しいのがありますか? Okay, so here this den is for densha. Okay, chi. Here this is actually ike, which means pond. But when you combine it with den, it's battery. Denchi. 4番ですね. Are you following? Are you getting it right? Okay. 6番. 信号。信号の青は進め。黄色は黄色は underline。赤は止まれという意味です。What is this talking about? Okay, 信号 hint, traffic light, stop light. So we have blue, okay, and blue for going, yellow for, oh my god, I'm giving you all the hints. Okay, try to read it. 注意、注意、注意、注意. Which one is the right one for this? Okay, the answer is 注意. Okay, which means pay attention. Okay, so with blue light, it means go forward or yes, to proceed. Yellow means 注意. Okay, pay caution. Aka wa tomare, stop. So we have a prohibition, tomare, strict prohibition, stop. Toyu imi desu. Toyu imi desu in English, it means, okay? Toyu imi desu. So it means to pay attention, okay? Chui suru when it's yellow. I hope that is clear. So 8番. Okay, I think we're moving fast. Okay. この言葉の発音の発音. Do you know 発音? So we have a hint here, which means 音 or sound. No, underline. Oh, what is this? Yes. 教えてください. Choices are 仕方、しほ、しがた、しよう. Alright. The answer is, where is it? Here. 仕方. Which means the manner. Okay? この言葉. These words, 発音 means pronunciation. These words pronunciation の仕方を the way to pronounce it 教えてください. Okay, let me rephrase it. Please teach me how to, this is 仕方, the manner. So how to pronounce this word. Okay, got it? Okay. Number 9. 先生のカバンはですね。先生のカバンは underline ですね。重い、重い、多い、重い。Which one is the right one? Okay, this is 重い。重い。The teacher's bag, カバン is heavy. 重い is heavy. 多い means a lot or plenty. 重い, never mind this. There's no such word as this. 10番. Okay, this is the last sentence for this 問題1. Underline のある人は手を挙げてください. Underline のある人は手を挙げてください. 意味、意見、意見、質問。Alright, the answer is 意見, which means opinion. Okay? 意見のある人は so we have here a person who has his opinion or who wants to say his opinion. Okay, let's break it down here. 手を挙げてください. Please raise your hand. Okay, so opinion. E is means will. We also use this for saying I, mi, which means right here, meaning, imi. And this is for miru, to look or to see or watch. Combined together, it is read as iken. So iken. So opinion. Okay. I hope you got it right. Now in mondai ni, and it's this time you're going to choose the right kanji for the underlined word in hiragana. Okay? So 11番. 授業が始まりますから教室に入りましょう. 授業. Do you know what 授業 is? Okay, I'll give you a hint. Class or lesson. So the class is going to what? Oh, I won't say. You read it for yourself. Which one is the kanji? Okay. これですね。始まります. So the class will start. So let's get into the classroom. Okay. So this is 通ります, which means to pass. 降ります, like 雨が降ります. To rain. Okay. This could also be read as 降ります, 降りる, to go down. 集まります means to gather. Okay. 12番. 遅くなるときは知らせてください. 遅くなるときは知らせてください. Which one is 知らせて? Looks confusing? Okay, this one is 知らせて. Don't be confused. A while ago we talked about this. This is wa, okay? But there's no word as this. And also this one, no. So when you're getting late or when you're going to come late please tell us. Okay, please tell us when you're going to be late. That's a rephrase. Okay. 13番。お寺の池に赤や黄色の魚がいます。お寺の池に赤や黄色の魚がいます。So, I hope you remember that. Okay, which one? Okay, I hope you got it right. I explained this kanji a while ago with denchi, which means battery. Okay, so, and I told you that it means ike or pond. It reads as ike and it means pond. So otera, the temple. The temple's pond, there are fish, goldfish actually, and they are colored red and yellow. Red and yellow fish. Garimas. There are. Have you been to Otera? For those who haven't seen the Otera, there are some fish ponds there, and you will see goldfish. 14. 日本語について研究します。日本語について研究します。研究する。研究します。Okay. Did you get it? This one, okay? 研究 means research. So, 日本語について. So, about Japanese. 研究します。I will research. I will research about Japanese language. Okay? So, this is 勉強. Okay? 説明. これは教育。Okay? Maybe you don't know this. This means 育てる. To grow. So, 教育 means education. Alright. Let's go to number 15. 私の大学は工業大学です。私の大学は工業大学です。So what kind of university is 工業? Okay, the answer is this, 工業. So it's a university that maybe when you graduate, you're going to work on factories or manufacture, okay? Something like that, in industry. Sangyo means industry. There's no word as this and this. No. So it's kogyo. This is sangyo, industry. Alright. 16番. うちの犬は our dog. Okay? How do you read this? 毎朝. Every morning. This one. How do you read this? 家族 family を起こします。So, every morning, our dog wakes us up. Okay? So, the dog barks and they are awakened by that. So, which one is the kanji? Okay, this one. 起こす means to wake us up. Okosu means to wake somebody, okay? Okiru is to wake, okay? To wake up by yourself. But with okosu, you wake up somebody, okay? Wake up, wake up. It's like that, okay? So as I translated a while ago, our dog, uchi no inu. So this means uchi is our dog, okay? So uchi means the family. Maiasa, every morning, wake us up. Okay. So there's no word as this. There are kanji, okay, like this. This is the kanji for hikaru. This is the kanji for hatsu, which means to depart. But this is not the word, okay? This kanji means betsu, or the other thing. So this is not the one. So here, just remember the kanji, Okay? 17番。その本は1週間以内に返してください。So, I'll translate it. 1週間以内に within this week, okay? Or within 1 week. 返してください。Return it, please. What are you going to return? Okay, that book. その本は that book. 1週間以内にwithin 1 week, please return it. Okay, I'm translating word by word from the beginning to the end. Okay, you can just rephrase it. So I want you to learn how to translate a Japanese sentence by word order and not by going backwards. You can do that also if the sentence is short. Now I'm giving you the hint for reading comprehension. We'll do that next time. Promise. Okay, 18番。これで私の話は終わります。これで私の話は終わります。So it means, this 話 means what I'm talking about. So I'll end what I'm saying here. I'll finish talking. Okay, that's the translation. Look for the kanji of this word. 終わります。Okay. This one, 終わります。終わる is the dictionary form, okay? 終わります will end or will finish. 終わります is to go around, okay? Or yeah, to go around. 変わります is to be in place of, to replace someone or something. 光ります to shine, okay? To shine bright like a light, okay? 19番. I hope that is clear. Am I going fast? I think I'm getting so natural with these tutorials. Okay. 台所から、台所 is kitchen. Okay. 台所。何か音が聞こえますね。So, I can hear something. 何かI can hear something from the kitchen. Okay. 音。Okay, I think you'll get this right. I've mentioned this a while ago. So, oto, this is the kanji for sound. This is kubi, neck. Koto, affair or thing. Uta, song. Alright. The last sentence. Kono, how do you read this? We're having double test, double quiz. Okay, how do you read this? Yes, kono nimotsu, ne? Nimotsu. This baggage wa karui desu. That's already a hint. This baggage is light, the opposite of what? Omoi, which means heavy. Okay. Okay, the answer is this. Karui. Light. This one is hiroi. Spacious or wide. What is this? Futoi means thick. Okay. This one is samui. Okay. Samui. So this one is futoi, and it could also mean big. Okay, depending on the sentence, right? For example, the elephant's foot, what is big, right? So futoi. Okay. Zo no ashi wa futoi desu. It's big. It's rounded and big, and it could also mean thick. All right. So we're done with 20 sentences. Okay, how many were you able to get? Okay, just tell me. Okay, I'll end this for now, and we're going to do reading comprehension next time. Okay, my next vlog, maybe within this week. So wait for it. For those who are new to my channel, please subscribe and look at my vlogs, and I'm sure you will learn a lot for JLPT and for preparation. Okay, see you.